What's up, dude? Today we're gonna work on the Timekeeper app again. I'm kind of in a groove, getting a lot of stuff done in the app. Might as well continue that groove. I'm at least starting with linking the Firestore to the onboarding experience. So when you try to register a new account, it should actually register a new account in my database. Also, when you pick your first 3 categories and initialize your first task, that should also link to the database and actually work. That means our onboarding experience not only will have its design done, but functionality done, which is pretty dang sweet if you ask me. I mean, we need it done. So let's go get to the code, shall we? All right, so I've just linked Firestore to the beginning of the register screen. So right now, if I do test guy with a new password, now when I click register, this user should show up as a authentic user within the database. So let's give her a click. Nothing's happening. Oh, ooh. yeah. It just had to pop up like 30 times. So it just needs to wait. Oh, so I need to make a spinner. Okay, noted. What? All right, I just added a loading feature, I think. We're gonna find out if it works though. Come on. Okay, wanna click register? A loading wheel should pop up on the screen. Yeah. Okay, we have an error, but the loading wheel came up, which is good. We need the loading wheel to be like centered on the screen though, because right now it's just like off doing its own fucking thing. Yeah! We're still getting this red screen though. It's hardly a reason to celebrate, but the loader is centered, which is what I said I wanted, so I'm feeling pretty hot. I'm feeling pretty solid. Hot and solid. All right, let's test it now. Test guy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. Yeah. Fuck. Oh, come on. I thought I had it. Delayed red screen that time. Okay, what happened? All right, I think I just solved the problem and it's stupid. It was a stupid problem. I was editing some code in the login user function instead of the register user function. I'm just silly. Let's see if we can officially get to the next page. No red screen, no red screen, no red screen, no red screen. I think we're good. Cool. Okay. Now we have to make these 3 categories actually work. Okay, so now we have to create the first 3 categories. Let's say laundry, sleep, eating. Okay, now when I hit submit, we should go to the next screen. I should be able to go into the database and see laundry, sleep, and eating as the categories. That works. Let's go check the database. Eating, laundry, sleep. Now, temporary. We don't want this in the database. So let's do that real quick. All right. I just updated the app. Let's go. Horses, camels, Alaska. Now when I hit submit, horses, camels, and Alaska should be in the database, and temporary should be out of there. Hopefully it works. Let's look. That went through. Categories, Alaska, horses, camels. Dude, we did it. So now on the task screen, we need the app to actually create the new task. Oh, here's another thing I have to do. I just made the code so that when you pick one of these categories and hit submit, it should update what the current task is within the database to the category that you pick, and then you can actually start with the app. But I just remembered that these categories, these are temporary. These should be like camel, horses, and eating, which are the categories that I just picked. And right now they're just as temporary data, so I need to put in the real data for the categories. Now the 3 categories on the next screen should be camels, horses, and eating. Ooh, nope. Ooh. What the fuck was the problem here? Can you not do provider in it? Okay. I think this is going to work now. Camels, horses, eating. Okay, if I hit submit, please, no red screen. Fuck, different red screen. This is not the same red screen. That means we fixed the last error and caused another error. All right, let's go luck. Okay, come on. Please. Okay, we made it. We picked camel. Okay, let's double check. Let's check the database. What's in the database? We have our email, category title, which we're about to overwrite, start time, which we're about to overwrite when we pick one. The categories, we have dog, horse, camel. Dude, oh my God. That was so stressful. So now when we pick this category, it's gonna be camel. And what time is it right now? It's 12:57. So here, category title should say camel and start time should say 12:57. Camel, 12:57. Yes, dude. Celebration dance. And then it opens timekeeper. Dude, hell yeah. You can see categories already works. So I actually implemented that. Now that we actually have the registration working correctly, let's start making sure that we can do stuff with your account. For example, here's your categories, right? We made the camel, the dog, and the horse. We should be able to delete horse. And that works. Cool. When I hit delete, it went back to the main screen, and we just want to go back to this category screen, so let's fix that. All right, let's delete dog, and it should just go back to this screen. Cool. All right, let's try adding a category. Let's add cats. Let's try editing cats. Edit title doesn't work. So let's fix that then. Okay, it might have just been easy. I think I just figured it out. It's like one line of code that I had to change. Did I just call it cone? Did I say one line of cone? I'm silly. Okay, we want cats to be cats. My problem right now is I can change the name of the category, like cats. I can edit it. Like this won't change to cats with an S up here until I exit and come back into the screen. Oh, but I fixed it. And it still works, so I can go cats unite against me. Nice. Hey, that wasn't too bad. So we can add new categories. We can edit their names and we can view their data. Let's make sure the data actually works. Okay, I just edited some of the data. Yeah, look at that. It shows up. Cool. So our category screens are completely functional now.